Hi everyone, this is the part 2 of this Wilcom test gear taken apart. I am at just at the moment taking apart the screws, just taking the screws apart for the front panel to take the potentiometers out. And what we got here, if it shows on the stupid camera of mine, we got A and B, which is Allen Bradley, Mexico Type J potentiometer. And these are wire ram pots, single turn, really good quality stuff. Usually you see Allen Bradley in military test gears and stuff like that, so this might be used for military or not, but yeah, Allen Bradley, they do make really good potentiometers. Okay, we got here. We got a rotary switch with Clarostat resistor, power resistor. Clarostat is another well-known brand, using they probably build stuff for military as well. Usually they make potentiometers for Tektronix. They used to make potentiometer for all Tektronix scopes. There we go, we've got the same thing again. Same rotary, quite hard to turn with hand, rotary switch. A lot of wiring, which we don't need. Lonely some switch, all by itself, sitting there. Let's bring him home. There we go, again. Alco brand, same as the other one, probably made in Japan again. So we've got 5 amp at 115 volt. There we go, not bad. Now we got these meters, and they got let's get rid of this wiring because it's getting on my nerves, all these wires. That, take that, take that. We go here. There we go. Okay, everything is nicely labeled, all the plugs. So you got 19 written here, and you got 19 written there, so you know exactly where to put your plugs in. There we go. Come out, come out. There we go. That's a nice wiring loom. I think I might just keep that. We can use the wires for, I don't know, anything. Okay, now we need to somehow open these screws that we have here. We've got 3 screws there and 3 screws there, and we've got 4 screws there for the meters. Nope, we can't go on these because they are too short. There's always a catch. Let's see. Nope. Nope. Oh yes. Found the right one. For once. There we go. We got these. Good thing about these is they're hollow inside. So if you got a screw which is coming out long like these, then these are good for them because you can take them apart. I think, yeah, that's it. There we go. Nice. Nice meter. Look at that. It's almost new. See the quality? Hardly any scratches or any damage. And you got the little kind of a bridge rectifier at the back. And we got this. Made in US of A. Yeah, we like stuff which is made in the US or the UK or the Germany for that matters. You know you're getting your money's worth. There we go, this stupid camera needs to constantly fiddle bit for its zoom. We got another one again. So this is milliamperes. Oh, there we go. Milliamperes DC bias. Let's see. Ah, that's good. I think this is, yeah, they're both same. Milliamperes DC bias. Very nice quality meters. I think I keep them. And then we got this, which has got this big massive bolt on them. It's a bit of a overkill. The size of these bolts, I don't know, they're quite beefy. Then we got the meter here, and well, you know, the screws all of a sudden became bigger. Nope. One is too big, one is too small. Damn. Always the case, isn't it? I always have to use different screws for everything. I have no idea. Why can't you just use one set of screws for everything inside the damn unit? Don't have to have 50 different weird screwdrivers to open something. There we go. Not a problem. This is a decibel meter. There we go. So we got plus 10, plus 5, and then we got 0, minus 1, and minus 2. Again, made in US of A. There we are. And I think this was like so. It's connected like that. So let's just connect it the same it was before I forget its polarity. And let's just screw it back in again. There we are. And what we got here? We got two op amps, Motorola. We got MC1458P1, two of them. Then we got some resistors and two potentiometers, and some diodes and some tantalum capacitors. And yep, even the PC board here, it says made in USA. And that's it. Very nice. I quite like this. Okay, we're almost getting there. To take this everything off. A lot of screws are jumping around. Okay. Ooh, this is heavy. So what we got here, we got some read relay. There we go. So we got read relays. We got the same kind of capacitors that we had in the other. Sprague 50 microfarad, 250 volts. And we got the same op amps that we had on the other one, Motorola op amps. We got our rotary switch. And I believe this might be a transformer again, of some sort. It's got two wires coming out like so, and then it's got connections at the bottom, and it's quite heavy, so might be a transformer or a choke or some inductor or some form. Yeah, but not much. We've got some transistors under the rotary switch and a tantalum capacitor there, Sprague probably, because Sprague make these silver looking ones, and then we got some other form of capacitor, film capacitors there. Nothing much. And then we get to this bit and we are nearly done. Then we got some switches and fuses over the other side, which take those apart as well. This one has got a 7-segment display here, so I'm intrigued to see what circuitry they have inside for that. Ooh, check this out. These are old school 7-segment LED displays. You can see here they got their own chip built inside the driver, built inside the actual 7-segment, and each segment is got little tiny little LEDs inside. And I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. I'll bring this down. There we go. Zoom in. Okay, hold on. I don't know if it's clear or not. Let's see, there we go. You can see a picture of a little flower there. I wonder if these are Texas Instruments. I believe that was Texas Instruments logo. Not sure. Let's see if we can take one apart. It does say something on it, but we'll find out later. But yeah, how nice was that? These are nice. Let's just zoom out, and this whole thing just comes out like so. There we are. So we've got some TTL logics over here. So we got the 74,000, 7410, we got 7490 and 7492, and then we got this, which is connected vertically. We got some transistors, and we got op amps, Motorola op amps again. I'll put that aside. And how nice is this one? Slides out as well. Ain't that nice? And then we got our gang switch. How nice. If these two are pressed, you can't press this in, it's locked, but you can press this. But once you pull these out, then this one can be pressed. How nice is that? We got again Motorola op amps. We got Texas Instrument. Oh yes, there we go. So this definitely is Texas Instrument IC, because I can recognize the little logo, and that, yep, that little flower that you see there looks surprisingly similar to what was inside those 7-segment LEDs. So yeah, that must be made by Texas Instruments as well. And we got the RCA. Op amp. Yeah, it's a metal can op amp, and we got some trimmers and film capacitors and resistors, and we got this. This is really nice. Okay, here we are. Okay, to get to use a 1010 port, if you want to maybe keep the cost down, or I don't see any other reason to do that. What they used to do, they used to use these gear reduction. So what you do is it feels like that you're turning this, 10 times or something, but finally, but this is only a single turn potentiometer. So by using this, it reduces the rotational, basically, you know, you try to rotate this 10 times, but this only rotates once. So it gears down the rotational force that you have in here. So it basically, see, if I move this whole one to one side, this only moves a tiny bit. If you can see it. So this is how they use fine adjustment with a single turn potentiometer. It's really good. And I used to see these in old HP test gears. They used to have these stuff in them, so not bad. I'll take that apart as well. And we're getting almost to the end of this. I'm not going to take these stupid things out or this switch, but what I will take out is the, there we go. I will take the little bulb that's in here. Now, how are we gonna take this out? I believe it's, oh, we'll get into that in a minute, but let's just take, just got a screw at the back. So the best thing to do is if I take this sleeving out, there we go. Oh yes, I have these switches before. These are really high quality switches with built-in bulb. I usually see these in military test gears. And, if it works or not. Got this stupid thing in the middle, which is not allowing me to take that switch out. So get the handle out, and what I can do is, there we go. There we are, and then I can unscrew it from here. Let's put this down here. So what we got, let me get rid of this because that is causing madness with the camera. So what we got here, if the camera focuses, come on, you want to. There we are. So we got oak type 616 5 amp switch. It shows you how the switch is, and we've got the little bulb, and the bulb sits inside there like so. It's got a little groove on the side that only fits only this way, and it's a push switch. Okay, and this cover comes on top. There we go, screws on top, and the LED, the little bulb, doesn't fall out anymore. These are really high quality switches. You can tell by the way it's got little kind of a gold plated, but it's not gold plated, but goldy color, and just the way it is. I saw these on eBay for about, I think about £20 each, second hand. So that's that. I can go there, and we're going to take the little fuse holder out as well. It's always good to recycle. Use these parts. Okay, we need to take the little sleeve out. There we are. Okay. That's it. Okay. Take that off. And I don't need that switch. And that's the end of it. Tear it down to his bones. I've got all these wires. I'm just gonna chuck in the bin and the capacitors and all sorts. They're not used to me. Yeah, so this is what was inside the unit. We've got these potentiometers and switches, and these and that, and the transformers, and that, more transformers, and that. We take the camera down, and here we go. That's what was inside all of that, and now the rest of it is in the bin. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this teardown. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and until next time and next video, goodbye.